important video for the inter first year students. In this video, I explain you the Maths 1P most IMP 2 marks problems with solutions. Now these are the 2 marks questions from the chapter plane. Now these are the very easy problems, and all of you remember that the students who will follow these videos will definitely get very good marks in the public examination. So I hope all of you use these videos to get the good marks in the examination. So this is the first question. Find the intercepts of the plane 4x plus 3y minus 2z plus 2 is equal to 0 on the coordinate axis. So first we have to find the intercepts of the plane. That is, we have to convert the given equation into the intercept form. What is the intercept form formula? X by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. This is the equation of the plane in intercept form. Find the intercepts means we have to convert the given plane in this form. So that is the given question. So first I take the given plane equation here. Given plane is, what is the plane equation? 4x plus 3y minus 2z plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the plane equation. So to convert into this form, what is the first step? First of all, we have to take the constant to the right side. That is the first step. Here what is the constant? Plus 2. The first step is writing the constant to this side. That is 4x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to minus 2. And what we have here? Plus 1. That is, we have to divide this total equation by this minus 2 by this constant to form the 1 at the right hand side. That is, dividing this total equation by this number minus 2. That is 4x plus 3y minus 2z by minus 2 is equal to minus 2 by minus 2. This is the first step to convert the given plane into the intercept form. So writing the constant to that side and dividing this total equation by that constant. Now separating the constant, that is 4x by minus 2 plus 3y by minus 2 minus 2z by minus 2 is equal to plus 1. And this is equals to, writing this equation as x by minus 2 by 4, writing the constant at the denominator, plus y by minus 2 by 3 plus z by minus 2 by minus 2. Here constant is equal to minus 2, writing this term at the denominator, that is equals to 1. Now it is cancelled by 1 by 2 here. These two terms are cancelled and we get 1 here. So the equation becomes x by minus 1 by 2 plus y by minus 2 by 3 plus z by 1 is equal to 1. Now clearly this is in the form of the x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. So we compare this equation with x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Then what are the values? A is equal to minus 1 by 2, b is equal to minus 2 by 3, c is equal to 1. That's all. These are the answers. This is x-intercept, this is y-intercept, this is z-intercept. These are the intercepts values. The most important 2 marks problem. Very important, sir. Next problem. This is also the same model problem. Write the equation of the plane 4x minus 4y plus 2z plus 5 is equal to 0 in the intercept form. Same procedure. So first I take the given plane equation. Given plane is 4x minus 4y plus 2z plus 5 is equal to 0. Now what is the constant in this equation? Plus 5. So the first step is writing this constant to that side. That is, this equation becomes 4x minus 4y plus 2z is equal to minus 5. And the next step is dividing this total equation by this constant. Means this is 4x minus 4y plus 2z by minus 5 is equals to minus 5 by minus 5. Now separating the denominator. This is a procedure to convert the given plane into the intercept form. That is, separating the denominator, that is 4x by minus 5 minus 4y by minus 5 plus 2z by minus 5 is equals to plus 1. Now writing these values as x by minus 5 by 4, writing this value at the denominator, x by minus 5 by 4 plus y by minus 5 by minus 4, writing this minus 4 at the denominator, plus 2z by minus 5 by 2 is equals to 1, which implies, now here minus and minus gets cancelled. Now this is clearly in the form of x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. That is, compare with x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of a is equal to minus 5 by 4 and b is equal to 5 by 4 and c is equal to minus 5 by 2. That's all. This is the answer. Next problem. Find the DCs of the normal to the plane x plus 2y plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0. We want the DCs values. So first I write the given plane equation here. Given plane is x plus 2y plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0. And next I compare this equation with the plane equation, that is, compare with ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Now what are the values of a, b, c? So see here, a is equal to 1, x quotient, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 2. Just taking those values, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 2. Now what are these ABC values? These are nothing but the DRs of normal. Here ABC are nothing but the DRs of normal. So therefore DRs of normal is equal to ABC and those values is equal to 1 to 2. What we want DC's values. So to find the DC's values, first of all we have to take the value of R, that is equals to a square plus b square plus c square, that is equals to a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 2. 1 plus 4 plus 4 root 9 is equal to 3. So this is our value. Therefore DC's of normal is equals to, the formula is a by r comma b by r comma c by r. This is the formula to find the DC's values. Now substituting the values, a is equal to 1, r is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, r is equal to 3, c is equal to 2, r is equal to 3. That's all. These are the DC's of the normal. Next problem. Reduce the equation x plus 2y minus 3z minus 6 is equal to 0 of the plane to the normal form. So reduce the given equation into the normal form. So first I take the given plane here. Given plane is x plus 2y minus 3z minus 6 is equal to 0. Now compare this equation with ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. So compare with ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 and taking the values a, b, c, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 3. A is equal to 1 x quotient, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 3. To convert this equation into the normal form, first of all we have to divide this total equation by the value square root of a square plus b square plus c square. So first finding that value, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, minus 3 whole square 9, that is equal to root 14. Now writing the given plane here, given plane is equal to x plus 2y minus 3z minus 6 equal to 0 means equal to 6. Writing the constant to this side, equal to 6. Now dividing this total equation by the above value, dividing this equation by root 14. So we have to divide this total equation by the value square root of a square plus b square plus c square. That is dividing this total equation by the value root 14. Then what we get? X plus 2y minus 3z by root 14 is equals to 6 by root 14. Now separating the denominator, x by root 14 plus 2y by root 14 minus 3z by root 14 is equals to 6 by root 14. So this is the normal form of the given equation. And next in the last step we compare this equation with x cos alpha plus y cos beta plus z cos gamma is equals to p. Now what are the values of cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma? Cos alpha is equal to x quotient. What is that value? 1 by root 14. And cos beta is equals to y quotient, that is 2 by root 14. And cos gamma is equals to z quotient, that is minus 3 by root 14, and the last value p is equal to 6 by root 14. That's all. This is the answer. The most important question for 2 marks.